Gabi now.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
4 ka na ba?
Opo, school na ako.
School na ikaw? Sinong papa mo?
Si Tintin.
Oh, who is your father?
My father is Gabi now.
Who is your mother?
My mother is Raquel Gabi now.
Where do you live?
I live at 018 Sikong Compound.
Buwan ba ngayon? Buo compound.
Sikong lang.
Sikong compound. Sukat.
Sukat.
Paranaque
Paranaque City.
City. Who is your favorite cartoon character?
Tom.
Tom? Tom and
Jerry.
Wow!
Dragon Ball Z ka. Go Fighter. Yun lang.
Ghost Fighter.
O, yun lang.
Ano pa team? 1 plus 1?
Saka, musiki.
2 plus 2?
4.
4 plus 4?
8.
8 plus 8?
64.
16 plus 16?
32.
32 plus 32?
64.
64 plus 64?
128.
128 plus 128? 256 plus 256? 512 plus 112?
1024.
1024 plus 1024?
2048.
2048 plus 2048?
4096.
4096 plus 4096?
8192.
Ano?
8992.
Ano team? 8,000?
192.
8,192. 8,192 plus 8,192.
16,384.
16,000? Ano? 16,000?
16,000 lang.
16,384.
84.
16,384.
Okay na.
Okay na ba? Pagod ka na? Ay, spell na lang. Spell dog.
D-O-G.
Spell butterfly.
D-A-G-U-C-T-R-N-Y. Lucky M.
Lucky M ka dyan. Spell Jesus.
What's yours? Silent naman. G-E-S. G-E-S-U-S.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus yun, ha? Alam ni Tim yun. Jesus is...
Jesus yun.
Jesus is love.
Love. Jesus. Lucky M.
Oh, what's your memory verse, Tim? Number 1. Philippians 4:4.
Rejoice in the Lord always.
Number 2.
Mark 12:13. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, and with all your strength.
Number 3.
1 John 4:8. God is love.
Number 4.
God is love. God is love. Light. God is love.
Number 5. Number 5.
Psalms
Psalms
37:4.
37:4.
Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart.
Number 6.
John
John
14:6.
14:6.
Jesus said,
Jesus said,
I am the way,
I am the way,
the truth,
the truth,
and the life.
and the light.
No one no one comes to the Father except through me.
Number 7.
John
John.
3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave
His only.
Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
Number 8.
Luke 6:37. Forgive
Forgive.
other people and you will be forgiven.
Number 9.
Psalms 54:4. Surely God is my help. The Lord is the one who sustains me.
Number 10.
Philippians 4:13. I can do all things to Christ who gives me strength. Maliit lang.
Maliit lang. Number 11.
James 1:2-3. My brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience.
Number 12.
Psalm 91:15. He will call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. Romans 8:28. All things work together for good for those who love God. Jeremiah 29:11. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans
Good.
to give you hope and a future.
What's next? Tapos na? Very good. Sabi mo, thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you for your love
Thank you for your love
that you gave
that
for
you
me.
gave for me.
I love you, Jesus.
I love you, Jesus.
Bye-bye.